Hello, Namaskara, good evening. Very happy to see such a large gathering here. Welcome and thank you. While we are going to be discussing schedules, numbers, targets, let's also have an evening of networking, talk and mingle among each other better so that our relationships also become stronger. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ our founders who have laid the foundation have given you their thoughts, expectations, how it kind of began and where we are, and all of you all are aware of it because of the long association that we've had. I would like to kind of talk on just 3 or 4 very specific points. Yes, we have all grown. Yes, our numbers have increased. Yes, from a very small, humble beginning, like many of you, we were also a small scale industry who got into products and today are the largest manufacturer of CNC lathes and machining centers in the country. But there is a long way to go and there is tremendous scope that is available. Again, this is not something that has not been done before. I'd just like to point out, we and every one of you played a very, very important part in building manufacturing in India, in the automotive industry. How do I know? All of us played a huge role, and today the automotive industry and the auto component industry is the largest export manufacturing industry in the country from a manufacturing perspective. Is that right or wrong? What made that possible? The two-wheeler and the small car business in India has the most effective, cost-effective, efficient and thorough SCM chain among global standards. There is not a single brand named car or motorcycle that is manufactured anywhere in the world and now that are being manufactured in India that does not have the most important parts from India, whether it is Bangalore, whether it is Kolhapur, whether it is Gurgaon, whether it is Bhiwadi, you name the corner of India, there are parts that are going on to it, and that is what gave the huge strength to the automotive industry to become what it is. Yes or no? So this is possible, this has been done and it is going to be repeated. Please look around you, gentlemen. What is happening outside? What is happening in our space? It is extremely exciting. After many, many years, manufacturing as a platform is being strengthened. I think all of you are aware of it. Avenues for manufacturing, it started with the automotive, but now whether it's tool rooms, whether it is aviation, whether it is aerospace, whether it is tool and die, and now not to speak of defense, are opening newer and newer avenues. From a nation perspective and a government perspective, whatever was the contribution of manufacturing into the GDP is expected to grow, double, and from whatever 15, 16, 14% of contribution is expected to go to 30-35%, and India as a country, though it bypassed the manufacturing and moved into the services, now there is a deja vu happening and it is coming back. But while all this is happening and this has given all of us opportunity and growth, it is also bringing strong competition right here, like how the automotive sector came in with the Suzukis, the Hondas, the Yamahas, of course now the BMWs and the Audis and the Mercedes Benz. The same thing is beginning to happen on the machine tool perspective also. So, market is not the problem, growth is not the problem, but moving our industry from a local platform to a global platform is the question for which three very, very important things are there. One is, of course, scale, which is what we are trying to do with all this amalgamation and trying to look at a basket of products so that we could compete more effectively. The second aspect, of course, is domestic quality to international quality. No more is it good enough to have products separate for India and products separate for the other parts of the world. So it has to be one product with the necessary localization. So my message again to each and every one of you is we have done this together. We have come a long way. We have a strong foundation. The platform has been built. Now it's up to us to really work together, believe in one another, and see how we take off from this solidly built platform to reach the other parts of the world. Thank you very much. Have a great evening. Thank you again for all your support. There are miles to go before we sleep. We would like to count on your continued association and existence with us. Thank you.